Hi, my name is Farid. I'm a co-founder of QFINDS. QFINDS is a video CV platform created to help small businesses pre-screen a greater pool of high-quality hires more easily and efficiently. I launched an accountancy firm 5 years ago, which now manages over 300 clients across 2 branches with 20 members of staff. While I love spending time helping our customers succeed, one of the most frustrating parts of building up our firm was the money and time I wasted trying to hire employees that could be used to grow the business. After speaking to over 100 of our clients, big and small, I realized I wasn't the only one struggling with this issue, and the idea of QFINDS was born.
Hi, I'm Andrei, and I'm co-founder and CTO of QFINDS. I'm a techie, and before QFINDS, I created an app which helped 2 million British motorists pass their driving theory test. Today it has more than 24,000 reviews, with the average rating of 4.8 stars. During the pandemic, I noticed how hard it was for many recently unemployed people to stand out from the crowd and thought that there must be a better way. QFINDS is a purpose-built solution ready to disrupt the 39 billion recruitment industry.
I've been working in executive search for 15 years, and I joined QFINDS as a non-executive director because they've created an amazing product that has simply been missing from the market up until now. Streamlining the hiring process for recruiting companies, creating massive efficiency and time-saving gains, which is so vital in a fast-moving digital landscape. The QFINDS team know exactly what the pain points of SMEs are, and what I love most about QFINDS is the company's emphasis on inclusion and diversity. Applicants can let their authentic self come across instantly in their video CVs, so they're not just another piece of paper on a desk.
Hi, I'm Frankie and I run a growth marketing agency called Let's Be Frank. When Farid told me about his business idea, I was immediately sold. As a small business owner, I have limited resources and time. Traditional recruiters will charge up to 20% of a new hire's first year salary, which can be as high as 4 to 5k. Organising a single interview can cost up to £500. QFINDS reduces that to £1. Pre-screening candidates can be done in minutes instead of hours, and the video format lets me get a much better sense of the personality of the potential hire, increasing the chances of finding the right recruit. A real time and energy saving tool.
With your support, we'll finish developing our video CV platform. We're passionate about making hiring authentic and efficient, and would love to have you on board.